Today we're just going to look at my top 3 YouTube video channels for Power BI. The first one here is the official one for Microsoft Power BI. Just play the welcome here.
When it comes to data, the faster you can turn this into this, the faster you can understand and use it all to make your business run better.
So that's the official one. But what I like about this is every month there's an update, as you know, on Power BI desktop, and you can see here the April one, for example. So Amanda Kofsky is in charge of that, and she does a great job every month. So that's well worth looking at every month. Now the next one is Guy in a Cube, and in actual fact there are two guys, Adam and Patrick. So I'll just do a quick one. Welcome here on them.
Yo! I'm Adam Saxton.
And I'm Patrick LeBlanc.
And we are Guy in a Cube.
Where's the cube? I don't see it.
Well, there was a cube, I think, originally, but they're really two fun guys, great content, and they also have guests. There was a guest there recently, famous guy in DAX, Alberto. You see that one there? There he is, Alberto, on DAX. So they often have guests and great content, as I said. And then the last one for today is Kerbal, one of my favorites. So I'll just this is Ruth here, I'll just let her say something.
So do you want to learn Power BI? Then you've come to the right place. Every week, Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays, I publish a new Power BI video.
So a lot of output, just like the guys in the cube there. Almost every day they seem to have something new. So Ruth's great personality, and I really have learned an awful lot from her on the Power BI product. And you can just look at her video. Some of her videos here is that you can see the output from her, and she actually was the first speaker we had in Galway. So that was on a virtual over the internet. So that was great first day. So thanks, Ruth. So there's 3 YouTube videos I have. Three video YouTube channels. Well worth subscribing to and having a look at some of their videos.